Charging Google Nest Doorbell. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to charge Google Nest Doorbell battery. So let's get started. First, to remove the Nest Doorbell, insert the release tool or a paper clip into the small hole at the bottom of the device. Gently pull the doorbell forward to detach it from the mounting bracket. On the back of the doorbell, lift the rubber cover to access the charging port and connect a USB cable and plug it into a standard 5V 2A phone charger. Avoid using fast charger as they may prevent proper charging. A pulsing white light on the front indicates that the battery is charging. Leave it connected for 3 to 5 hours until it reaches full charge. To reinstall, hook the top of the doorbell onto the bracket and press the bottom until it snaps into place. If charging seems unreliable, clean the USB port and cable tip, as dust can interfere with the connection. And that's all. That's how you will be able to charge your Google Nest Doorbell battery.